That's why I don't go.
Get the roots and
No,
back together.
If you're not careful, you can.
God, everything's kind of all kind of wild.
Nobody get too attached to their gift.
In church going every Sunday.
Oh,
Oh fuck! Oh shit!
Well, you gotta get carried at least 1 pound.
You gotta, if it gets taken, I gotta at least have one of them.
The
You gotta have
original
one butt.
night owl.
What is it?
I don't know. It says the original night owl.
It's a butt plug.
A butt plug?
Oh, cool. I'm gonna put it in Todd and see how he glows.
See if it works?
No.
Boom.
You gonna see if it works?
Is that what I think it is?
I don't know what it is.
Read the box, maybe.
I'm like, they were kind of in the 60s.
Is it really a butt plug?
Hell yeah, I love
the
you.
original
I love you so much.
No. Jim,
Hey,
you remember
hey,
when
you
I
do not
said I was
take
buying?
that.
I got it.
You got it. You said you weren't going to.
He's over here talking to Scramble. I'm like, David. He's opening your.
No, it clips on the toilet
I love it.
on the
know,
inside,
I
and it
know.
lights up the toilet.
And he has 2 toilets.
So you can really
We
see your
partied.
shit?
When we
Or
party,
you can
the
see it at
toilets
night
can
while
be
you're
lit up.
peeing. It's got different lights.
Okay.
I can't
I love
believe
it.
you told me and I got it.
Yep.
I bet you can't wait to use
Hey,
it.
it's like, okay,
Mine's
whatever this is.
I'm kind of glad you got it because this is really good for us.